Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating world of AI and video creation, image to video feature. If you ever wondered how to turn a simple image into a dynamic cinematic video sequence, you are in the right place.
Hi guys, it's me from the future. I have a discount code for you and it's for minus 20% for all our plans. Happy prompting!
Not only we will break down the essentials of crafting image to video prompts, but I also share some creative tips to help you get the best results. So let's get started! So, what is image to video all about? Unlike the typical text to video tools, image to video enables you to start with high quality image as the basis for a fluid animated video sequence. This powerful feature empowers creators to shape the video's visual style and mood with precision, almost like crafting a scene from behind the camera. It's as easy as uploading an image, writing a prompt, and letting the AI handle the rest. But here's a trick. For best result, you need a good prompt. Let's go through the steps to create an image to video project. Step 1. Upload a high-resolution image. The more detail the AI has to work with, the better your final video will look. Step 2. Write a detailed and specific prompt. You want to be clear about what you want the AI to animate. Think like a director. Describe the movements, the camera angles, and every detail that will bring your video to life. Step 3. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. Getting.ai will process your image and prompt together to create the video. But here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to iterate. If the video doesn't come out as expected, try refine the prompt or choose a different image. Alright, here is where we get into a real art of prompting. Writing for image to video is a bit different from text-based AI prompts, so here is some key tips. Be specific about subject movement. When you write your prompt, describe exactly how you want the subject in the image to move. Instead of saying the person moves, try the person slowly raises their right arm, reaching toward the light, while their hair gently sways in the breeze. See the difference? The AI needs these details to make the movement feel natural. Direct the camera movements. Think like a filmmaker. Describe the camera angle and movement like the camera slowly tracks toward the subject, focusing on their face, then gradually zooms in to capture their expression. This helps the AI simulate professional camera work and makes the scene more cinematic. Align the image with the motion you want. Make sure the image you upload matches the movement you are describing. If your image shows a person standing still, but you prompt them to run, the result may not look right. Choose images that already suggest or support the movement you have in mind. Include environmental details. If your scene has a rich background, bring it to life in your prompt. For instance, the camera pans across the cityscape, following the subject as they walk, while streetlights flicker and cars pass by. Describing the environment as well as subject gives your video more depth and realism. Want to make your video look like it's from blockbuster movie? Use some technical film terms in your prompt. Here are a few examples to get started. Camera movements. Use terms like dolly shot, tracking shot, or slow pan to give precise camera directions. Lighting and shadows. Describe lighting with terms like volumetric lighting, soft shadows, or high contrast lighting for dramatic effects. Lens effects. For more cinematic look, add terms like anamorphic lens, rack focus, or shallow depth of field. Atmospheric effects. Use effects like my favorite fog, or mist, or rain streaks to add atmospheric touch to your scenes. For example, instead of saying the scene looks dramatic, you could say the camera focuses on the subject's face in soft focus with hazy fog surrounding them and dramatic backlighting creating shadows. The result? A cinematic video with depth and mood. Before you go, let's talk about a few common mistakes people make with image to video prompts. Avoid weird prompts. You don't want to ask AI questions or give comments like, make the person smile. Instead, describe it directly, like the person smiles gently as the camera zooms in. Don't overload the scene. Each prompt is for a single shot or moment. If you want multiple scenes, you will need to create each one separately. This keeps your video focused and helps the AI deliver clear results. Watch for complex movements. AI handles slower, controlled motions better than fast-paced action scenes. If you are aiming for intense action, you might need to experiment more or keep the action subtle. As for where to use this tech, there are tons of applications. You can create short cinematic films, product promos, music videos, and more and more. Image to video is perfect for projects that need rich visuals and controlled scenes, making it ideal for creative and commercial content alike. And that's a wrap on today's guide to writing image to video prompts. Remember, the best results come from clear, detailed descriptions and a bit of patience as you refine your prompts. Start experimenting and you will soon be creating stunning AI-driven videos from simple images. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and video creation tips. Happy prompting, and I will see you in the next video.
That's the end.